Morning everybody. Well, this is the day after arriving. Had a great night's sleep. Had a fire outside because it was a bit cool. And this morning will be a bit of a general odd jobs day, I think. Got some friends arriving tomorrow, which will have a great time. But today we'll just be fixing up things like, well, I'll just show you. But I'm gonna have a coffee first and some breakfast, and then we'll get on with our day. Okay. Got a kettle on to boil for coffee and some porridge, and you can see me in the reflection here. Hello. There it goes. Just boiling now. Timing. Okay. For that. So last time I was here, I installed this hot water system for the shower. The handset though was loose, and it just hangs there, and the trouble is it's shiny and silver, and when your hands are soapy it just slides around. So it'd be better if there was a way of holding at the top here, so you can shower with two hands. So anyway, I've got a couple of different types of holders and clamps I want to try. I don't want to make it permanent because I want to be able to grab this hose and bring it over to the sink when I want to use it for hot water for washing up. So that'll be one job this morning. So this is the shower handset. I need to find something out of these options which will hold it at the top of this shower cubicle, but not permanently, as I said, because I just like to use it in the sink for hot water. So I need to try a few of these and see which one works, or come up with some variation that'll do the job. So I've decided that this is probably the best holder. It fits around here on the handpiece. The struggle will be where to mount it, on the metal or perhaps on the wood. And also I need to angle it a little bit so it's not straight up, that it's kind of angled like that a bit. So we'll have to try and improvise something there and see what we can do. So the plan I've come up with is to use this block of wood. So using my knife, I've split it down the middle to make two wedges, and then I'm going to combine the wedges like so to give me a double wedge, and then when that's angled up, it'll give me the right angle that I want for the shower head for mounting that holder. So now I just need to attach all these wood bits up to the side, and it should work. Fingers crossed. Well, I've just finished the mount there, you can see. Hopefully you can see they've added the wedge, and that holds it pretty firmly. It's not going to fall out of there. But the real trick is that it actually points down and gives you a shower inside here. So I've just had a very refreshing shower. Nice not to have to hold the handpiece. If you want to see how I installed this shower unit, I'll add a link just up here to the top right of screen. But I'm just going to show you now the shower running. So just the handpiece up here, the on switch is here, so I'll just turn it on. And there we go. Don't have to hold anything. The unit heats up, the water temperature's there, and I can set it to how hot I like it. But now I've also just had some lunch, so I need to do some washing up. So I'm going to show you I can bring the handset over here and fill the sink. So here is the handset and the sink. I just need to rinse off my plates in the little sink and then fill up this main sink. One-handed is a bit difficult, but there we go. I've got the water temperature set to 55. And I'll just fill the sink and then do my dishes. So it's a really great solution. Beats having to boil a kettle to get hot water. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.